Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to review a Ridgid shop vac, 16 gallons. As we all know, it's Black Friday shopping is coming up. I was able to score this great deal on the shop vac. So let's review it. I'm going to do an open box real quick and see what's in it and see how it performs. Quick review here, okay? I pay about 60 bucks for this, so it's not too bad for 16 gallon. I was looking for something bigger, something that can vacuum the flooring and the carpet a lot quicker. Right now I have a little shop vac. I've been using that for a while, but decided to go with this. It's actually not a bad deal if you think about. So let's see what's in it. Looks like you gotta do some assembly. For a great deal, of course, you're gonna have to do assembly, right? This just looks like you got the tubing. Looks like it just connects on. Look at this. I like how you can actually disconnect it to carry it around to make it a little bit smaller. Let's put this over here on the side. Are you guys ready for this? This thing is huge, humongous, but it's not too heavy though. So one thing about it, it's not that heavy. Of course, when you fill it up, it's gonna be a lot heavier. You fill it up with water or dirt, wherever, it's gonna be a lot heavier. But yeah, look at this thing. Look, yeah, nice. It's got a 5 HP horsepower, so that's pretty powerful. Now, some people actually rig it. They actually turn it to like a floor vacuum. I seen that too. So that I'm not gonna do, but I'm just gonna use it to vacuum, quick cleanup, quick vacuum like floods or wherever if I need to. So the hookup looks like it's pretty easy. So I'm gonna show you how to hook it up real quick, okay? I forgot to mention it says it has a lifetime warranty on it. So let's open it up here. Some accessories. You can see this looks like it goes with the leg to put the wheels on. Now there are attachments out there you can buy too, so you can buy more attachments for this. You need to use it for different things. I actually seen people use this for like extraction, where they rig it to become an extraction, like detail. To use it to detail cars and stuff. Extraction is basically like you spray water and then you vacuum up at the same time. And with this large gallon tank, you can do that. So you can rig that with that. I thought about doing that to use it to clean the floor, but that's something down the road. If I do that, I will actually make a YouTube video for you guys. But right now, I'm just worried about putting these wheels on. So let's see how you do it. Looks pretty easy. Let's see here. So there you go. Take this handle here, you put it right here, and take the bolts, the screws actually that came with it, and you just screw it on. Pretty easy assembly. Again, this is 5 HP. The power is rated at 5 HP, and the hole sizes are 2.5 inch in size. The hole size is 2.5 inches. It's pretty large hole. If you need to buy accessory, 2.5 inch is what you need to look for in the size. And I believe the filter and the holes are inside this. So once I get this handle on, I'll open it here once I get the handle on. You got the filter that came with it. And to take it off, you just unscrew this, take it off, and I recommend cleaning it, cleaning the filter once every pretty much every usage, like on a major project that you're doing. 2.5 inch size hole. Look at this thing. Nice, plenty of length. I like it when you're done. You can actually, if it's clean, you can put it inside. Look at the drum. Again, it's not that heavy, and to snap on, you just, here, let me get up close for you guys. To snap on, you just, they designed it very, very easy, where you just kind of press this down and pull it out. Able to pull the hose out. So here, you can rotate this if you want. Okay. And then I'm gonna connect the other hose. Let me go back here so you guys can see. So we got everything on. This hole is heavy duty. It's actually pretty big. Here we go. Put it on, it just snaps on just like that. This is a 15-foot power cord, so plenty of extension for you. And here it looks like you can lock your hose in here. Nice. So when you're done using, it's not everywhere hitting you. And here is, again, you get up close, you lift this up, pop that in. And then same goes here. Pop this in again. Plenty of accessory out there you can buy. Look at this. Look at this. Very nice. Get stuff up. Now, there. I'll show you. Some people actually turn this into an extractor, and I'll show you what that is. Some people actually use, I don't know if you can see that here, they attach that on the end of the nozzle and then turn it into an extractor and actually spray it and clean at the same time. So it's almost like you're cleaning your carpet and you're spraying and you vacuum at the same time. So actually you can use this shop vac for that. It's large enough, 16 gallon. Okay. I do like it. I think it's worth, for 50, 60 bucks actually, it's not bad price. You know, you feel a lot of cleaning, get all done at once. I'm gonna plug it in, test it out. Let's see how it does. 16-foot, 15-foot cord. Plenty of length. Look at that, plenty of length. 15-foot cord. Of course, you need more, you can always add extension cord, right? So, wow, look at that. Strong suction. Woo! Look at that. Recommend wearing earplugs. This thing is loud, very loud. But I'm gonna show you guys how strong this suction is. So here I'm gonna turn on the vacuum and I'm gonna show you how strong the suction is of this vacuum. It's so strong, it's lifting up my carpet. But I don't know if you can see that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This thing's amazing. You know, of course, it's for maintenance use. I don't recommend using it around the house on the carpet. You might do some damage to the carpet, as you can see. But for other use, I highly recommend it. You know, for the price, I think it's great return on investment.